Before we go ahead and I tell everyone what exactly happened, this whole topic is about part-time job. My friend who's living in Aachen, she got trapped into an unfortunate scam, which is a very big. Literally, it can happen with anyone. It could have happened with me as well, or literally anyone who has lived here for long enough. Because these scammers, they are so professional. The way they have laid down all the points. When she explained me everything, I was like, "Damn, this has to be filmed," and that's why we are doing this, so that you guys, when you come here tomorrow, no matter which part of Germany, but please be aware and take some learning out of this. Give us your introduction first before we talk about what really happened with you.
Okay, hello guys. Basically, I'm from Gujarat and I arrived near December 2020 in Germany, and then I'm doing my master here in RWTH Aachen University.
Take care.
Yeah, so can we start, Nikhil?
Yeah, please go ahead. Tell
Okay.
everything what really happened with you, because you were looking for
Mhm.
a part-time job and how you got trapped into all this.
When I was new here in Germany, I also want some part-time job and mini job so I can survive here. So I started finding a job by Indeed, and I applied for so many jobs, mini jobs, part-time jobs, full-time job by Indeed. And after some days, I got one mail from one person, and they are like, if you are looking for a job, we are provided a job. It's like a very student friendly job, a mini job,
Mm-hmm.
and the basic salary as mini job is 450 euros.
Yes.
And yeah, then they sent me some documentation. So first I signed the documents, and then second day after sent a mail, second day I got one phone call. So I understand that, yeah, I signed some documents, so maybe that person call me, and they give me information about what should I to do with this work and with this job. I have get some packets, and I have to send it further.
Let's go slow. So
Oh.
you were looking for a job, a part-time
Mm-hmm.
job or a mini job,
Mm-hmm.
right? So a
Mm-hmm.
mini job gets you paid is 450 euro, and I think you got accepted when you applied via Indeed. You got
Yes.
accepted by someone, and this
Yeah.
employer, the fake scammer,
Mm-hmm.
reached out to you,
Mm-hmm.
and then you and the scammer went through a proper document exchange, right?
Yes. Yes.
So you signed everything, you handed over all your documents, maybe your passport copy or a visa copy, I don't know if you did that.
Yeah.
um, and once that was done, the next day you got a call, and this call was about explaining you what is your job role, what work you have to do.
Yes. Yes.
And what was that? What was your job role? Can you explain that in a very simple term?
Then after that, I understand that information, but I have some questions. That person is girl, and so I
Okay.
told her that, can you please send all the information by email? And then she mailed me,
Okay.
and I just go through the all description about job. And that job is like, they sent me one packet,
Okay.
and then I have to send it further to another customer,
Okay.
and via DHL. So I question her that, should I have to pay the charges of DHL? And she replied me, no, all are paying. After that, she told me that I have 1 week of trial period. After convincing me, I got another mail from that person who, the first mail I got one from one person, and another, the description is from another person. And
Mhm.
after that, I got one mail with my login ID, because this job is online job. I convinced, because as I am a student, I have no time to go to travel to the workplace. So I decided to do with this job and all. So this is online job, so I required one login ID.
Mhm.
They have one login platform.
Okay.
On that, I should have to work. So they give me a link of website, and then I just have to do with my login password and login ID, and then I logged in. When I logged in that website first time, this is like there is a column with some numbers and all. There are also one mailbox. If I have any question about the job and about anything, I just have to mail the person. They told me that he or she is a manager of your a group leader. When I started job, I first mailed that yes, I am ready to do. That person provide me that okay, after tomorrow you will get any packet.
Sorry, sorry to interrupt you, but I
Mm-hmm.
want everybody to understand what really is happening here. So your task which was given to you was a parcel will come from randomly somewhere to your house address. Okay.
Yes,
And from
yes,
your house, you will pick this box up and go
yes.
to the nearest DHL or
Mm-hmm.
any courier guys, and you will
Yeah.
send this box or a parcel which has arrived at your house
Mm-hmm.
to a random address which is already provided to you. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right.
So
So
I can give you a all description that after getting a parcel or any packet. When I got my first parcel, all companies are renowned from of Germany.
give an
So when
example.
I
Just give an example. You don't need to take a name. Give an example.
o-
What do you mean?
okay, like Lidl, like Chibo,
Yeah.
we can also like Media Markt, Lego.
So you
Yeah.
received something from these stores, like for
Yes,
example, an
this store.
iPhone coming from a Media Markt and a tablet coming from Zatoon, something like that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
something like that.
electronic items were coming in those boxes in your house.
Not only
Okay.
electronic items, sometime a whiskey, sometime
Oh, okay.
coffee, sometime yes. So all the things.
Nice. Okay. That's why Chibo came in because Chibo is a coffee
Yeah, yeah,
company. I see.
yeah.
I see. So you would receive all of this at your house. Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, at my house.
Yeah.
Okay, then as I told you that there is some numbers in my login portal. When I will get parcel,
Yes.
I have to match this number that already on the packet. I
Right.
have to match this number with my portal, in my portal, and match that. And there is like so many of numbers, which with one it's match. There are some section. In that section, I have to upload a photo of coming parcels, sendung number,
Right.
like yeah, sendung number.
Yeah.
And after that photo of that box, that I didn't open it. They guys also know that I didn't open it. They are not that you should not open that box. If uh, you are open that box, we are that fire you from job. They guys earlier I got information about it, that how I should go with that box and all. So after uploading photos and after some time, they give me one PDF.
Okay.
So this one is that one is outing shipping label.
Right.
Then I just go to the DHL. There is also DHL, or some DHL contains a printer and all. So I just print it and stick on that box and give to a DHL employee. After that, again I log into my online portal and I have to give information that yeah, already I sent it that box.
Right.
The thing I have to notice that time is these packets are not going to Germany, not in any part of Germany, out of Germany.
So when you would get that address
Label,
label,
yeah, address, yeah.
that label will not have an address written, or is it all
Yeah,
QR
yes,
code or whatever?
they contain address and name.
Nice. And most addresses were going where?
Is Russia and Portugal.
Damn. Okay. So wait. So for everyone to understand, if she received an iPhone 12 Pro at her
Mm-hmm.
house, so she's gonna
Mm-hmm.
take that label uh without opening the box. She's gonna print a
Yes.
label,
Yeah.
go to the DHL or a courier person, and then this
Mm-hmm.
address, this iPhone is getting shipped to that address.
Yes.
This was your part-time job.
Yes.
Okay. For how many months did you continue to do this?